guys, welcome to my channel. You guys know that I'm a foodie and I'm always trying different food and recipes, so I came across with this awesome recipes that I was like, I have to share that with you guys, and it's called Malai Tikka. So you can either make it with chicken or lamb or beef, whatever you like. So I'm gonna share this recipe with you because it's fast and it's easy and it's delicious and it will last you for at least 2 or 3 days. So I can't wait. Let's dig right in. So the first thing you're gonna need is the spice mix for Malai Tikka, and I use the national one. You can get these in any Indian grocery stores or Pakistani grocery stores. I think Amazon sells this too, so that's pretty good. This was only like $1.49 and it has 2 of them in there, so it was pretty much like 75 cents per packet. So what's cool about this packet is they give you all the ingredients you need and also how to make it. That's awesome because I have no idea how to make it. So let's try this. So first thing you're gonna need is chicken breast. You're gonna need ½ cup yogurt. You're gonna need ½ cup fresh cream, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of green chili medium paste. Now I just put 2 in it because I don't like it super spicy, so I just wanted to see how it comes out with 2, and then I can always add more. So for me, 2 would work perfectly. So if you like more spicy, you can use 3 or 4, so it's really up to you. I'm actually going to add 3 or 4 chopped garlic cloves to it. That's optional if you guys like that, but I added to it and it just gave it a little bit better taste. So I'm just gonna mix the chicken with all the ingredients and make sure everything is evenly mixed. Then we're gonna take this chicken and marinate in the fridge for 3 to 5 business days. I'm just kidding, it only needs 2 hours, so you're good. Now that we have the marinated chicken, we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees. While our oven is getting preheated, we're gonna put these cubes into the skewers. Now you can use wooden skewers or steel, and if you don't have them, you don't have to put them in skewers. You can just, this step is completely optional. Once your oven is preheated, you're just gonna stick it right in for 18 to 20 minutes, and I think it was done within 18 minutes for me, but try it out and see what works for you. So once it's out of the oven, we're gonna let it sit for a couple minutes. Now you can eat it with a paratha, you can eat it with vegetables, you can put it on your salad, whatever you want to do with it. This tastes so good. So this dish makes at least 4 to 6 servings, and you can pretty much put it in the fridge and every day take it out whenever you're ready to eat, stick it in the oven, and you're good to go. So you guys go ahead and try for yourself and let me know how it came out. I thought mine came out perfect. I loved it. It was delicious. I finished it and I would make it again. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.